Are you looking for the best portable air conditioners in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best portable air conditioners that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, Whynter 3M 12,000 BTU Dual Hose Portable Air Conditioner. If you cannot afford a central air conditioning system, this 12,000 BTU portable model from Whynter is equally good. Constructed using RoHS-compliant components, its lead-free design is safe to use at home. Power, 12,000 BTU, is good, while its built-in timer, programmable, ideal. Using the timer, 24 hours, you can set it to cool your home at specific times during the day. Also, you can set it to shut off after a specified time to save power. After a power blackout, you do not have to switch on this air conditioner manually to resume cooling. After an outage, its auto restart feature kicks in automatically even when you are not around. Some models lack this. At number 4, Whynter AUTOPUMP Portable Air Conditioner. Whynter AUTOPUMP has an adjustable temperature. Via its adjustable thermostat, you can set it to maintain the temperature of your room between 63°F and 88°F, which is ideal. Compared to the Whynter 3M, which depends mainly on a fan to disperse cool air, Whynter AUTOPUMP keeps an ambient temperature in rooms. It also has a timer, 24 hours, and a dehumidifier that filters up to 71 pints per day. Fitted with a 55 decibels compressor, Whynter AUTOPUMP is louder than the smaller Whynter ARC-08WB model. However, if you have a large bedroom, its 14,000 BTU system will serve you better. Its AUTOP-certified design not only cools efficiently but also has a pre-filter that improves the air quality of homes. You get value for your money. At number 3, Whynter ARC-131GD Dual Hose Air Conditioner. Whynter ARC-131GD is a 3-speed air conditioner that can dehumidify rooms as well. If you have a hot bedroom or a cold basement that is prone to grow molds, this is a suitable remedy. Like the Whynter AUTOPUMP air conditioner we have talked about, this is a compelling product. It generates up to 13,000 BTU of cooling power, which is useful in rooms measuring up to 420 square feet. However, because of its self-evaporative system, it is a better dehumidifier than comparable Whynter models. In humid places, the system exhausts condensate directly into the environment. Thus, even if left on for hours, you do not have to worry about its system overflowing and damaging your floors. Whynter ARC-131GD has a programmable timer, 24 hours, and full thermostatic control, 61°F to 89°F. You can optimize its performance easily. It also comes with a free exhaust hose, 47 inches, and a free 47x20-inch window kit. At number 2, Whynter EcoFriendly Portable Air Conditioner. Whynter ARC-131GD is a powerful portable air conditioner. However, because of its dated looks, it is less popular among students and the younger generation in general. Whynter EcoFriendly has filled this void. It has an eye-catching theme. Set up in a dorm room, it will keep you cool without cluttering space. Its digitized system is also convenient. Even though compact, you get up to 13,000 BTU from this product. The non-irritant green R410A refrigerant that it uses, on the other hand, is safe for kids and the environment. It does not contain chlorofluorocarbons, CFC, which have been linked with ozone depletion when leaked and frostbite if inhaled. It also has a self-evaporative system that is similar to that of the Whynter ARC-131GD air conditioner. You will love how it dehumidifies rooms fast. At number 1, Whynter ARC-08WB Air Conditioner. Whynter ARC-08WB churn out approximately 8,000 BTUs of cooling power. Compared to Whynter ARC-08WB and Whynter AUTOPUMP that generate 13,000 and 14,000 BTU, it is slightly underpowered. However, if you have a small bedroom or office, it is a suitable air conditioner to use for numerous reasons. First, its quiet and efficient design cools 250 square feet. With one, therefore, you will sleep better without paying hefty electric bills. The CFC-free refrigerant that it uses, R410A, is safe. Made from RoHS-compliant components, you can use Whynter ARC-08WB safely in a basement or bedroom. Install it close to a window for ducting and blind the window to maximize the efficiency of this air conditioner. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.